Yeah, I'm doing this review inside.
Hey, what's up guys? My name is Rafal and today I'm going to be making a quick video about this camera bag right here. This is the Endurax Small Camera Bag. That's actually what it's called. This is the smaller of the two camera bags that Endurax sent me to review, and for the basic photographer that wants to travel light but still wants a backpack, this guy's a pretty cool option. It's super basic, there aren't any bells or whistles to this bag. I really do like the hard shell front to it. It's really slick, it looks really clean, and it's made of waterproof fabric. Now really quick, this is not the bag you want if you travel with a bunch of chargers, a bunch of cables, accessories. This bag is meant for light travel. Inside you have the bare essentials, you have a couple of dividers and enough space to put your camera, a couple of lenses, and your Mavic if you have one. And of course, a nice slot here for your laptop. Here on the side you have a pouch for a water bottle, and this thing stretches out pretty far. You can fit a decently sized water bottle in here. Here on the side you have a strap that's meant to hold your tripod. Below that you have a pouch that zips open to hold anything small. And if you open that up, you have a pouch that's meant to hold your tripod feet in. But just like the big brother to this bag, there are no clips on this strap, which means you have to loosen it all the way to put your tripod in. So I'm limited to just sliding one leg through and using this pouch down here to hold the foot. Finally, there's a little strap right here that's meant for suitcase handles, so you could roll this around the airport without having to carry it around on your back. But there you have it guys, all in all this is a decent bag for the basic photographer and videographer. It gives you what you need and nothing extra. Let me know your thoughts about this bag in the comments below. Also, let me know if you guys want me to keep making review videos or if you want me to stop. I really like making these review videos and I might make more in the future, so just let me know. If you guys like this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button. A like and a comment won't hurt either. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.